swear to God, something's watching me. I'm pretty sure I should look around the house. I'm pretty sure Nana's awake, but I don't hear her in there. Maybe she just went outside. Oh well, I'll go check. She's not even in here. I don't think she's outside either. Maybe she's already in bed. Something's fishy. What's that pen and paper doing? You're next. Killer clowns. How about I write something on the back? Alright, that should be good. Dang, that scares the crap out of me. I didn't even know there was any killer clowns around my house. Oh, I'm scared.
A few hours later.
Yeah, I have to answer the clowns again.
Go.
Gotta go check. Where's the clowns back? Hopefully they don't do anything. Is there actually killer clowns, or is my nana just pranking me? Why is there so much movement under that cover? What is that? What the?
Hi.
What the heck is that?
Briar, wake up!
I had the worst dream ever, rah.
Briar, you're so weird.
If you're gonna be rude, get out.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Briar, one more thing.
What? What?
It wasn't a dream.
Yeah, Briar. Guys!
We did kill Nana.